Okay, we already have the group file. Now, okay, let's first visualize use VMD. VMD, so here. If we see the molecule with large size, you see this is separate beads. Because it's coarse-grained, there's no bonding information now, we have to edit. Of course, there are many ways we can do it. In here, I show you one method using VMD. It's quite useful. And okay, let's see it. We go to modeling, Molefacture. Okay, now we select new molecule, 5 selection. Oh, you see all the atomistic kind of bead information already loaded in this window. The next thing is like we add the bonding information. We select 0 and 1, these two tail molecules. If you see from here, see the left, they kind of give you some color highlight. You know that these are two I selected. Now you can click add bond. In principle, of course, you can add, you can choose a type of bonds, double bonds, triple bonds, or anything. But here we just do the simple bond addition. So add simple bond. Okay, next two, we have these two are bonded. We can using your shift command in your keyboard and select multiple. And here we select 2 and we click bond. Of course, there are many ways. You can do a smart way to loop it in using code to add bond automatically. Yeah, it's nothing wrong. But here it's just a very straightforward way if you have only a small number of beads in your molecule. So we can do in this way. It's kind of easy. Yeah. You see, it's quite tedious, but you will have the bond information. Okay, very straightforward. Add bond, add bond, add bond. You see, now the whole topology looks like this now. If you compare the figure in the right, it kind of what you want to get. Okay, also in here you see this is almost 180. This is kind of what we want to see, this cis configuration. Now this bond is I added. Now we have to export. In here we write to Mo2 file, and we can select to azo. I don't know what this molecule is called. Azotrans maybe .mo2. Yeah. If you write PDB, Mo2 file is something I would like to say. In here, the Mo2 file is really nice. This is also what I would like to emphasize. The Mo2 file, you have the atomistic. Okay, I shall open it. Let's have to look at the Mo2 file. You see, it has the coordinates files. It's just this. Okay, the charge may be -1. Okay, it doesn't matter. Now we only interested in the bonds. And in here, this is a charge, kind of. Later we can edit also. And you see, this is bonds. Atom section, bond section. and you would like to say in principle you can also add angles, dihedrals, all in this kind of different sections. It's a very nice format. Now I just close it, and I close this thing. Now we can use VMD to load the zone mol2 file. You see they are bounced. They are bounced now. This is a way I would like. You have small molecule you want to deal with quickly. You don't need to generate separate bounded information if you just editing of your groove file and export to a mol2 file. You do have the bound information. Of course, when you load the trajectory, you will also, this is like we have some trajectory before from OATOM, this reference coarse-grained trajectory file. We can have a look. You will also have this bounding information. It's quite a nice thing to do, kind of. Okay, I hope the recording is fine. Okay, I will add the video information in this link. Okay, it's done.